Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you a Mitsubishi L200 Barbarian Edition. This is in a nice silver as well. Just taking you around the vehicle now. This one has 40,000 miles, 5 seats as well. And I'll just take you into the passenger side where I can show you the two front seats are of course leather lined as well. And into the back we can find the further 3 seats. In the back as well we do have interior lighting to kind of match the Barbarian feel inside as well. I'd like to mention on the front, when the doors are opened, we do have nice branding there as well. Into the bed at the back, it's rather large, and unlike other pickup trucks, as I open this now, it opens hydraulically so as not to slam down and be too aggressive. And if you just let me get into the driver's seat, I will show you some of the conveniences, stepping over that nice Barbarian branding again. So this does come with cruise control, voice assist, hands-free cooling, dual air conditioning. So right now the passenger seat is something like the Arctic Circle, whereas I'm like in the Sahara Desert. Showing you behind here, this does also come with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low range as well, which can be shown up here on the display. And if I just show you here, we can connect to phones, iPods, USBs, multiple settings, digital audio broadcasting. We have USB and HDMI port here as well, and this is an automatic.